Good morning. It's day 11 on the AT. I'm headed to Clingman's Dome. You can see how all the soil here is disturbed. That's from wild hogs. Clingman's Dome, 7.4. So I just reached the top of Siler's Bald. No relation to the other Siler's Bald. No, I'm not walking in circles, but there's no view from up here. So I try to sneak off and find one. Forest is like an old growth forest, so you get a lot of moss, ferns, and it's really thick. Climbing down from Clingman's Dome, elevation 6,612 feet. It's the highest point on the AT. Under the tree. Clingman's Dome Road. I'm at 6,000 feet, still climbing up a little bit. I got this like mist, not quite rain, and it's really nice because it's nice and cool up here. It's quiet and it's beautiful. We're gonna push on through this dang beautiful country. Indian Grave Gap. I told you. Told you I was fast. Let's eat.
Are you ready to eat?
Sure. Oh. Alright, this is the spot I'm going to try to make work. Thinking I'm going to sleep right on the roots, right there. Under my tarp, I've got my tent.